Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find your Temu code. If you want to find your Temu referral code, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open the Temu application from your app drawer. Once you are logged into your Temu account like you normally do, go ahead and look for an option where it says Earn Credit and Free Gifts. The option will be available on the main homepage, or you can also find it inside the You tab. Soon after you do that, go ahead and select one of the free gifts and credit options that you'd like to choose, and then follow through the instructions. Now, after you follow through the instructions, you will be able to see this kind of an interface where you can easily pick up free gifts from the options. Once you are inside, go ahead and pick free gifts that has been displayed on the screen. You can go ahead and pick other gifts items. Pick all of the gift items that has been displayed, and after picking up all the gifts, click on Next Step at the bottom. You'll also need to go ahead and confirm your address, so make sure to choose and enter your address and tap on Next Step. On the next page, after going through the on-screen instruction, you may receive this kind of an interface where you can easily share one of the options to share your referral link to your friend. Now, once you see this interface, simply tap on Copy Code on the bottom right and go ahead and select any social media platform from where you can easily send instant message to your friends. Select a contact and then simply paste in the code that you received. Now you will be able to see your referral code on the screen. Now, whenever the person that you are trying to invite creates an account with your referral code, you will be able to receive those free gifts that you just picked up for yourself. So that is how you will be able to find your referral code on Temu. The code that is displayed on the screen right now, it will be my referral code. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.